Watch the language.
Come on, Poe. You're the one backing off. Well, I need good position.
What are you gonna do if you ever get in a real fight? He'll say, hold on, I need to get in a different position.
Hold on, I need my gun. To shoot you. You try tripping. Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
Oh. Holy shit. Oh my god. That kid's got some game. Oh my god. I just got owned.
Pwned.
How do you feel about that one? Shit. Wow, that did not feel good.
How bad?
Hard. Pretty hard.
So you'd be mad at me if I would just drop this helmet on you right now, right?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. It's already on the ground. It's okay.